Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video where I'm going to make paying your ConCora credit card bill fun and easy. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special discount. You don't want to miss out on that deal. Alright, let's get started. First things first, grab your favorite snack and put on your coziest pajamas. Why? Because paying bills doesn't have to be a chore. Let's transform this mundane task into a mini celebration. Step 1. Log into your ConCora credit card account. If you're anything like me, you might need a little password reminder. Yep, it's the same one you use for everything else. No judgment here. Now, once you're in, head over to the payments section. Feeling a bit lost? Don't worry, it's like finding Waldo, but easier. And if you're still having trouble, just imagine you're on a treasure hunt. X marks the spot. Step 2. Choose your payment method. You can select from your bank account, another card, or even that secret stash of cash you've been hiding under your mattress. Just kidding. Stick to the electronic methods. Now, here's where it gets fun. Set up a recurring payment and reward yourself with a happy dance. You just saved yourself from remembering to pay next month. Future, you will thank you. Step 3. Confirm your payment. Take a deep breath and click that confirm button like a boss. Done. Look at you adulting like a pro. And there you have it, folks. Paying your ConCora credit card bill made fun and easy. Now don't forget to click that link in the description below to get your special discount. Trust me, you deserve it. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks. Remember, adulting doesn't have to be boring. Until next time, keep smiling and keep those payments on track. Bye for now.